As y'all know, I did a major clean out of my daughter's room. I got rid of the stuff that doesn't fit her anymore, and then I realized like what she needed more of. So I just got back from the store. Let me show you guys what I got. Everything that I'm going to show you guys came from one of three places: Walmart, Target, or Old Navy. So first, and I actually showed this in my little Target vlog yesterday, we've got these Minnie Mouse pajamas. So it actually comes with, oh wait, it's two. Oh, I didn't realize it was a double pack. I thought they just gave you an extra shirt. I didn't realize it was 2 pairs of pants. Cool, okay, awesome. So 2 pairs of Mickey and Minnie Christmas PJs. We love that. This is also from Target. These are little candy cane PJs. I also showed those in my my Target vlog from yesterday. And then these as well. And these are like a waffle knit. I'm trying to see, how much were these? These were $10 for these PJs. So that's awesome. Moving on, if I'm a little bit out of breath, it's because I just ran up the stairs. So I didn't really realize that like Walmart had like their own brand. Actually, I think it's by Walmart. It's Garanimals. Let me tell you, like the pants for winter are so nice, like super warm. In fact, Kennedy is wearing an outfit by them today. It's basically this outfit, but just another print, which is really cute. So yeah, so this one, I got the matching little pants with polar bears, and it's just, those are just really good quality, and those are literally $4 each, like $4. So we love that. This is also a Walmart find. Easy Peasy is the name, and I know at my Walmarts they always have this brand because I got Kennedy like a romper over the summertime. So it's just like a little bubble romper. And how much was this? This was $8, literally $8. Like, how cute is this? And if it's like really cold out, I mean, you could put stockings under this, or like little leggings, or I probably would just throw a pair of jeans on over that. Oh, this is from Old Navy. So I actually ordered pajamas, these pajamas from Old Navy. They're so cute, but this is like an outfit. This isn't like a onesie. Look how cute. So adorable. So these say that they were, okay, yeah, so these were technically $10 each, but they were 40% off, so it was only $12 for this outfit. So $6 each. These also are from Old Navy. These were on sale too, like half off, so I think these were like $6. For these little footy pajamas with the little gingerbread men. Super cute. Also an Old Navy outfit. Like, this literally was like the only one left. Someone had put it back, and it just happened to be in 12 to 18, which is Kennedy's size. Look! Another little reindeer. How much was this? This was $15, but then half off of that, so that was like $7.50. These were another Old Navy find. I got both prints, because again, they were on sale half off, and we have Christmas card pictures coming up soon, so Kennedy's probably gonna wear one of these. This I was going crazy for. Look how cute this is. This is from Walmart. It's called Winnie the Pooh on it, and it is like nice and like thick. Like, this is like a good quality little outfit. I think this is technically for a little boy, but I feel like it's neutral enough, so you can dress it up with a bow or something. And then this is also from Walmart. I think that's Simba from the Lion King. Oh my god, it has a bow too. I didn't realize. How cute is that? This I showed in my Target haul, but I'll show again. A little sweater, and it has like, I don't even think those are shorts. It's just kind of like a bottom, I guess, to go over the diaper. I don't know. But I think I literally have this sweater for myself, so obviously I had to get it for Kennedy. I am so excited for Kennedy to wear all of this, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the tags off, get everything in the wash, and yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.